since that accident with the power tools and the monkey claw and that doily, I've been all by my lonesome in this lonesome old house. But something tells me I ain't gonna be lonesome much longer.
Oh, she's forward.
That would make my day complete, wouldn't it?
This thing you're doing with your lips on my face, what is that?
It's called kissing, darling.
Oh, so that's what kissing is. I think I like. Is it weird that I like it? Oh my goodness.
I am sitting right here. I'll ask that you not possess my brother.
Possess him? Why, you got me wrong, sugar. I just want him to have a nice old visit with me.
See, Vambre, she just wants to visit. I've never experienced anything like this, and I think there's a solid possibility I might like it.
She's a ghost, you twit.
Vambre! Ghosts are people with feelings, just like you and me, I think, maybe.
Come on, my lovely suitor.
This isn't a suit.
Why don't you let me give you a little old tour of the mansion?
I might like tours too. Let's find out.
Come back with my brother, you overly friendly ghost.
For more Magiswords, subscribe now.